Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing in the middle of the night as usual. I've had this pair of shoes laying here for a couple of weeks already actually, and I regret buying them. So let me explain why.
Funky.
I haven't even opened the box yet, so in general, I like the color blue. Cars, clothes, it's my sort of go-to color, white and blue. And for some reason, I like blue sneakers, but I very rarely use blue sneakers, and I can't explain why. I don't know why. And these shoes are not OG colorway, even though they come in an OG Air Jordan 12 box. When these were first released in 2004, they came with the face box, Jordan face box. And the story with them, the OG story with them, is that Kobe Bryant played in them when he wasn't signed to any brand. So between Adidas and Nike, he played in these Air Jordan 12 French blue. And then they got released in 2016, so we waited 12 years from the OG release to the retro release. And in 2017, I met a guy that I did not like, that claimed to be a sneakerhead, that had one pair of sneakers, these. And you can absolutely be a sneakerhead without having a bunch of sneakers, but then at least take care of your sneakers. He wore those to death. Played basketball in them at work. I think he slept in them as well. He loved the shoes, nothing wrong with that. But he didn't take care of them. He didn't clean them. They were dirty shoes. And he wore them every day. So that's one of the main reasons why I sort of don't like the Air Jordan 12 French blue. Recently, I think it was 2025, maybe 2024, they released Air Jordan 12 Blueberry, of course, Blueberry. Uh, but I thought there was a little bit too blue, too light in the blue. And the French blue, what I've seen from videos, are not the OG blue. But I prefer this blue, I think. I think these are really dark marine navy blue. And yeah, I would say that. Yeah. And the leather was actually better than expected. What I was going to say was that I often go after wear testers videos, and he didn't like them, so I wrote in my blog, if I see them on 50% sale, then I will get them. And the only reason I bought them actually was to get free shipping on another pair of shoes. So that free shipping cost me a pair of shoes that I sort of don't want. And yes, they were on sale, but like 20% sale maybe. And after I made the order, they were on Black Friday sale and Cyber Monday sale. So if I wanted them on sale, I should have waited. But I got them. They actually smell kind of good as well. So the leather is soft, and almost so soft as I would think that it's not genuine leather. I'm unsure about it. I haven't checked that out because I wasn't interested in the shoes. But the leather is really soft, so maybe it's fake leather. And the what is it called in English? Lizard print is of course fake leather. And usually when it comes to the Air Jordan 12, I dislike that we have 3 nuances of color, of the same color, because we have hard rubber, soft rubber, and leather or fake leather. And it's the same here, but it looks okay actually. It doesn't bother me that we have 3 different nuances here. And this part in plastic, is that part usually in plastic? It looks a bit weird actually. Yeah, all right. So I don't hate them. I should just have waited for them to be on more sale than the 20% or whatever it was when I bought them. So some glue residue, but the leather is soft and nice. Some glue residue, different nuances in the color blue. It's not the OG color French blue, but I like this navy blue, dark blue. And I have a jacket on the way that I think will match them well. So yeah, kind of nice actually. A bunch of glue residue, a bunch. So bad that if I would have seen them in hand in store, I would not have bought them. But it has been, I haven't bought a pair of Air Jordans in store since 2017, I think. Maybe 2018, but I think 2007. Yeah, 2017. Maybe 18. Since then, I only buy them online when my size is available. But these have a bunch of glue residue. I don't think you can see that, but a bunch of glue residue. Almost as, I wouldn't call them B grade, but back in the days, I'm old. I think these would be called B grade. But soft leather, maybe fake leather. That glue residue bothers me actually. Not OG colorway. Colorway it is, but not the OG French blue nuance. But they were actually kind of nice. Not the OG box either. So these should be on sale. Yeah. But if you don't care about story, if you don't care about people that have worn them that are idiots, not Kobe Bryant, the guy that I don't like. It's a good looking shoe. And they're available on sale almost everywhere. So Air Jordan 12 French blue, they are probably true to size. I haven't had a single pair of Air Jordan 12s on my feet that are not true to size. White and blue, French blue. I have already a matching jacket. I have another matching jacket on the way. I will at least wear them when it's raining. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I think that was it. OG release 2004. First retro release 2016. These 2025. Yeah. Subscribe.